Welcome back to the channel. RacerX here, and today I'm actually in Rockwall, Texas at Rockwall Dodge Jeep Chrysler Ram. They have a brand new car just off the truck, literally. They actually sent it back there to detail a few minutes ago. I got it back out, and this is a car I've actually been looking forward to showing you guys for a little while. Ever since they announced it, only a couple of trims this thing is available on, but I think it looks really unique, and I'm really glad they came out with this trim, so I want to show it to you today. It is the Hemi Orange Package. So today, we'll take a close look at what you get for your money when you select the Hemi Orange Package. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. You can do that right down here at the bottom. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. And here we go. And there it is. That is the 2022 Challenger GT with the Hemi Orange package on it. And you can see the very first thing you notice about that car is obviously that stripe that goes right down the front of it. Very cool looking, but there are some other accent features on this package that I actually really like that I want to show you. It is a little bit strange. This thing is only available in two trims. It is the GT with the rear wheel drive, that is the Pentastar V6, and you can also get it in the wide body Scatpack. So I want to talk a little bit about cost, what you get for your money with the Hemi Orange, and I do really like this because it is a very unique looking package. Now, as we take a little bit closer look at this car, obviously, you know, thus the name, right? The Hemi Orange, but you do see pops of orange really all over this thing. Obviously, this is a GT, only available in the GT rear wheel drive and also in the Scat Pack wide body in both the Charger and the Challenger. Over here, you've got orange calipers, which I actually really like. And this stripe is really what sets this package apart from the outside. Very unique. It looks like it just goes right down through the driver here, all the way on the top of the car, and it carries all the way around to the back. Now, I will say that this package here, it is about it's about $3,000 on the GT, and for some reason on the Scat Pack it is about $1,500. But in order to get the Hemi Orange, you also have to select the convenience group on both of those two cars, which is an additional $2,000. So you have to, you select Hemi Orange, it automatically makes you put the convenience group on, which gets you a lot of other goodies on the interior of the car and a few other little convenience type things that you would probably want on your car anyway. So it's not just adding the $1,500 for the Scat Pack or the $3,000 it costs you to put it on the GT, but then of course you add the $2,000 convenience group in both the GT and the Scat Pack, and it does bring the cost up just a little bit, but it is a very unique looking vehicle. I really do like this Hemi Orange package. Only certain colors you can put this package on. It's not available on every color, but the ones that they did select it for I actually really do like. So let's jump to the interior. Let me show you what that's all about. Now jumping to the inside of the vehicle, you can see it is actually a really nice place to sit in here. Because it does come with the convenience package, you're going to get the upgraded Alcantara seats, kind of with the leather on the side, and you get this beautiful orange stitching in here. I really do like that. I've never been much of an orange guy, but for some reason, I really like this Hemi Orange. You do get the orange stitching on the door as well. And then as we kind of jump in, you can see orange stitching kind of throughout. I like that feature of this. Even on the steering wheel here, you can see you have orange stitching going up there. It is really nice. On the dash, you get the orange stitching. So it just kind of helps set it apart. You even get orange stitching on your floor mats. It may be a little bit hard to see, but there's orange stitching there as well. So you kind of get little pops of orange everywhere. Even in the back seat, you get pops of orange, which is cool. And then when you jump over to the dash, things change as well. Your bezels in your gauge cluster here, they are black in this. You get a few other kind of black accents, which I actually kind of like as well. Kind of this deal right around here, these little rings that go around your vents, those are black in this package. Also on the shifter body here, this is black. Even the cup holders here, those are black on this package. So a little bit of a change there, and I do kind of really like the fact that they blacked those out. It's just one more little unique thing about this. So I really do like this Hemi Orange package. It kind of helps the car stand out on the road with that stripe and all that kind of stuff. And it's just a really nice place to sit in here over a base model anyway, because you cannot select the Hemi Orange package without going to the convenience group package as well. As I mentioned, that's about $2,000 on top of the Hemi Orange package, but it's all stuff that you kind of would want, right? I mean, you're going to get your upgraded seats, which are really nice. You get the heated and cooled seats. Of course, in the Charger, you get them. You get the heated seats in the back as well. And then, of course, you get other things, your driver aids and all all that kind of stuff that come on the convenience package as well. And there's a lot of little things that come on the convenience package that you don't really think about, but are kind of nice to have for $2,000. Yeah, I mean, you know, if you don't have the budget, it's one thing, but I mean, it's definitely a nice thing to have. So on the Scatpack, if you do select the Hemi Orange package, you know, you're $1,500 for the Hemi Orange and another $2,000. So $3,500 is really what you're adding to the sticker. And then of course it's a little bit more in this car on the GT because the package actually costs $3,000. But remember, you're getting the upgraded bigger brakes and all that kind of stuff that are already going to come on the wide body car. That's why the package costs more in the GT, the 6-cylinder. So you're adding basically $4,500 to the sticker price by checking that little box that says Hemi Orange, but you're getting a very unique car that's going to stand out on the road. Matter of fact, if I was going to order a Scatpack, I think I probably would order the Hemi Orange package. It only comes in the wide body, like I said, with the Scatpack, and I would select a very unique color palette. I think it's just a neat way to kind of make your car stand out. Well, I wanted to keep it pretty short and sweet today. I just thought it would be cool to show you guys this brand new Hemi Orange package. They are just now starting to hit dealerships. If you get a chance, go take a look at it. Like I said, only in the GT rear wheel drive. You cannot get the all-wheel drive GT in the Hemi Orange. And then in the Scatpack, if it's just a normal Scatpack or whatever, you can't get the Hemi Orange in it either. Only the wide body cars. Kind of weird how they did that. You'd figure they would offer it on the RT or maybe some other stuff. But they decided to only give you those two trims, but they are pretty striking. This car actually stickers right around $43,000, but they added pretty much everything you can add to a GT with the exception of the the all-wheel drive. So definitely consider that. And on the Scatpacks, if you add the Hemi Orange and all the good stuff, that car is going to sticker somewhere in the 56, 57 range. So it does get up there a little bit, but it is a bad looking car on the road. So anyway, go take a look at one of these if you get a chance. Let me know what you think about this package in the comments down below, and I will catch you on the next one. So until then, RacerX.